Describe the Schrodinger equation, please.
The Schrodinger equation describes how quantum particles, like electrons, evolve over time. It's basically the math behind quantum mechanics. In simple terms, it says a particle's wave function, which holds all its info like position and momentum, changes based on its energy and potential surroundings. Think of it as I times h bar, oh wait, that's the constant, times the time derivative of the wave function equals the Hamiltonian operator on it. For stationary states, it's even simpler. Minus h bar squared over 2 masses times the Laplacian of psi plus v psi equals e psi. Weird, right? It lets us predict probabilities, not exact paths, like where you'll find Schrodinger's cat, alive or dead.
Okay, so that's just beyond impressive to me. Wow. Like, literally, when you have any question, you could just ask your car. That is fantastic. Okay, that just changed my entire mind about this damn brand, man. Oh my gosh. Wow.